guys, how are you? Welcome to today's vlog. Today I'm actually in a really good mood today, so it's just this one song that's got me hyped up, smiling, so I'm in a really good mood today. So yeah, of course I am outside. Ah, screw it. Right, anyway, I'm outside. I'm on the way down to the shop just to get some fags from my grandma. Today today I'm starting the vlog a bit late because I've been putting in a new washing machine and doing that. But yeah, put in the new washing machine and sorting out all the Tesco's order. But yeah, it's been a fun day. Right now, I'm on the way down the shop and I think I got like a Snapchat from my friend. Who is my Snapchat from? Snapchat from Jamie, my friend Jamie. So Jamie, if you're watching this, I'll reply to your Snapchat. But yeah, I'm in a good mood, so today's going to be a good vlog. Right guys, the song that has got me in like a really good mood today and got me smiling and all that is this one. Right, let me just pause it and let me play it for you guys. This one, guys. Right guys, that song was Conor Maynard featuring Neo called Turn Around. It's an old-ish song. It came out about I think 3 years ago, so I would say 2012 maybe, roughly. I think it came out that year. I'm not sure, don't quote me on that, but I think so. But yeah, it's just a good upbeat song that gets you in the mood to like gets me in the mood to like smile and be happy. But yeah, it's a pretty decent song, and sorry the camera is like all shaky. I am walking, so and I'm holding it with like one hand, so yes, sorry about that. But I'm just basically on the way home now, so well, I'm just around the corner, but I'll see you guys when I'm inside. There you go, like I said, Jamie, I'm going to reply to your Snapchat, so right. There we go, Jamie, I'm replying now. Right guys, I forgot to record the rest of the day, so I'm just ending the vlog here. So yeah, I'm sorry that I forgot to record the rest of the vlog, but here it is. Yeah, this is where I'm going to end it. So if you enjoy, please like, comment and subscribe if you're new. Let's make a difference and stay true to yourself, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.